How's it going, guys? Today we'll be taking a look at LG's 29-inch ultra-wide monitor for about 900 ringgit, which could possibly be the best bang for your buck full HD ultra-wide monitor for maximum productivity, media consumption, everyday use and even casual gaming. So do stick around. Hi, my name is Ken and welcome back to the channel where we'll talk about filmmaking, photography, iPad Pro related content and tech. If any of this piques your interest, consider subscribing to the channel as you may learn a thing or two from these videos. Here are all of the topics that we'll be discussing. Sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Let's dive right in. I made a video unboxing the LG 29-inch ultra-wide a few videos back. If you're keen to find out what exactly comes in the box, I'll leave a drop-down card on the right hand side for you to check it out. To summarize, in the box, it comes with the monitor itself, AC plug to power the monitor, a monitor stand, HDMI cable, a CD for driver's installation, and some documentations. Now let's dive right into the basic features and what is good about the ultra-wide monitor. The build quality of the monitor is pretty okay. The stand at the bottom is made out of plastic with some weight to it, and same goes to the cap for hiding the cables as well. At the moment, I'm not using the provided stand. Instead, I mounted the monitor on a 100mm by 100mm VESA bracket on my monitor clamp. This is my current setup for my everyday use, whether it is video editing, playing games, media consumption, or even casual browsing. Going around the monitor, the LG 29-inch ultra-wide monitor comes with two HDMI ports, a display port, and a headphone jack. This monitor also comes with built-in 5-watt speakers at the bottom, which comes in handy in case you don't already have a dedicated speaker for your setup. At the bottom of the monitor, it comes with a joystick-like control button for adjusting any settings on the monitor. Take note that there is no dedicated on-off switch, so you will have to navigate through the menu settings from the joystick to power off. And that is all there is about the build quality and the buttons on the monitor. Like every other monitor, the menu settings include input selection, brightness and contrast control, pre-built picture modes for gaming, reading, watching videos, HDR effect, and so on. And even volume controls will be done through these joysticks. Now from LG's website, the LG29WK600 offers these features: 21:9 ultra-wide display, slick design with tilt function, borderless design, IPS panel with 99% sRGB, HDR10 and HDR effect, on-screen controls, AMD FreeSync, and advanced gaming controls. So in a nutshell, these are the features that LG advertises on their website. But in this video, I want to highlight some of the features that appealed the most to me. Of course, I won't be diving too deep into the details about everything on the monitor, but rather only on some of the things that piqued my interest when picking up this particular monitor. Starting off is the price at about 900 ringgit for a 29-inch ultra-wide monitor that offers 99% sRGB color accuracy, HDR10, 75Hz refresh rate, and a little gaming tweak settings is what we'll be taking a look at. The next section of the video will be on my real-world experiences, and I will break it down into 4 parts, mainly on content creation, be it photo or video editing, media consumptions in terms of watching videos, everyday casual browsing, and lastly, a little bit of gaming. So my overall experience when using the ultra-wide monitor is extremely pleasant. Starting from content creation on a ultra-wide monitor specifically for video editing, you get a bigger timeline overview of your project. So from the conventional 16:9 aspect ratio, when your resolution is capped at 1920x1080p, you now get a 21:9 ultra-wide aspect ratio with the resolution of 2560x1080p. And boy, the extra screen estate really gives it that extra efficiency boost during video editing. So when scrubbing through timeline on Premiere Pro, you get a bigger overview of your entire project, and the 99% sRGB color accuracy from LG is not too shabby as well. It gets my work done for simple color correction or grading when using Lightroom or Photoshop. Since we're now talking about colors, watching videos on YouTube and Netflix has also been very good. As mentioned earlier, there is a built-in HDR effect when watching video, and this transforms non-HDR content into high-quality video that represents HDR through its picture quality algorithm. Each to its own preference, the colors coming from the LG monitor itself is pretty punchy, and I've used HDR effect on some Netflix video and it turns out pretty good. On to the gaming aspects of things, this monitor offers a 75Hz refresh rate, which gives this monitor a slight edge when playing game. The ultra-wide aspect ratio of the monitor with 75Hz refresh rate renders a more immersive gaming experience, and the advanced gaming control also comes in really handy. You can quickly optimize monitor settings to activate black stabilizers to reveal superior detail in dark scenes. You can turn on AMD FreeSync if you are rocking an AMD GPU card. My favorite feature from the gaming settings is the ability to add crosshair in the middle of the screen when playing FPS games, which is pretty sneaky. And all of these settings can be accessed through the joysticks easily. Lastly, for my everyday use, I do enjoy the extra screen estate as I'm able to multitask even more, having Spotify, WhatsApp and Chrome all together without being too cluttered. It is overall a fairly good experience. And now with all of that said, that pretty much sums up my overall experience about the LG 29-inch ultra-wide monitor, whether it is for content creation, productivity, getting work done, watching Netflix or YouTube, and even for casual gaming. For the price of less than 900 ringgit, this calls for a killer ultra-wide monitor. I would highly recommend this to anyone who is looking into getting that ultra-wide experience. And that is all I have for you guys in this video. Hope you all find this insightful. If you have any questions at all, feel free to drop me a comment down below. I'll be sure to get back to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you all so much for watching. As always, I will see you all very soon. Stay safe, peace out, and bye bye.